Good day to the laboratory high school student who are under the Science and Technology curriculum. I am Mrs. Celerina Flores from BSc 3B, major in Mathematics. Now, I will discuss about greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor or GCD of two or more numbers that divides them exactly. A factor that is the highest among the numbers. Let's see how to find greatest common divisor by using Euclidean algorithm. Euclidean algorithm is a way to find the greatest common divisor of two positive integers that describes by the Greek mathematician Euclid in his Element. If you don't have the factor of numbers to find greatest common divisor, repeatedly perform long division. And the method stops when the last remainder is 0. Then the greatest common divisor is the last remainder non-zero. It involves successively dividing and calculating remainders. It is best illustrated by examples. Find the greatest common divisor of 420 and 90. The smaller value is the divisor and the other one is the dividend. 420 divided by 90, the quotient is 4. The product of 4 and 90, subtract it to the dividend 420, the remainder is 60. Then the next divisor is the remainder 60, and the dividend is the previous divisor 90. The quotient is 1, then subtract it again, the product of 1 and 60 to the dividend 90, the remainder is 30. The next divisor is 30 and the dividend is 60. Then subtract it again. The product of 2 and 30 to the dividend 60. Then the remainder is 0. The process is stopped because we made the remainder 0. So the greatest common divisor in the last non-zero, which is 30. The greatest common divisor of 420 and 90 is 30. Another example. 1080 and 768. So, same process, 1080 divided by 768, the quotient is 1. We subtract the product of 1 and 768 to the dividend 1080. The remainder is 312. We divide 312 in the previous divisor, 768. Then subtract it again, the product of 2 and 312. To the dividend 768, the remainder is 144. So we repeat the process. We divide 144 to the previous divisor, 312, then the quotient is 2. We subtract the product of 2 and 144 to the dividend 312. The remainder is 24. So we divide 24 to the previous divisor, 144. Then the quotient is 6. The products of 6 and 24, we subtract it in the dividend 144. So the remainder is 0. So the greatest common divisor of 1080 and 768 is the last non-zero remainder, which is 24. The example number 3 and 4, just solve it and comment your answer with solution in the comment section. The deadline is extended until next meeting. That's all. Thank you and always keep safe.